baby potatoes make the perfect side dishes for any get-together. I simply love to prepare these side dishes as they are easy to make for any amount of people. Whenever I get new potatoes, like kind of a tiny baby potatoes, I love to prepare this recipe, and I'm sure you will absolutely love this recipe. So let's begin. Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm making chili baby potatoes. The first step is to steam the baby potatoes, and these days I just love to use my electric pressure cooker, whether it's boiling, baking, sauteing, anything that I want to do, just this can perform all the jobs. So from morning to evening, just keep on using, and at night I just wash the pot just once a day. The reason is that I use the potting pot method to cook, usually in an electric pressure cooker. Firstly, wash and clean the baby potatoes with water. Red or yellow variety of baby potatoes can be used. Add 1 cup of water into the Instant Pot or any kind of electric pressure cooker insert. Place the trivet and then arrange the baby potatoes in the steamer basket. Close the Instant Pot with pressure valve to ceiling. Cook on a high pressure for about 12 minutes. Alright, let's check the baby teeny tiny potatoes. Once the Instant Pot dips, wait for the pressure to release naturally or release manually, and then open the lid carefully. Check the doneness of baby potatoes by inserting a knife or fork in the center. While you can enjoy these tiny potatoes just as it is, even or with the olive oil vinaigrette, just simply as a salad or something as a side dish, but I love to drench them into the spicy sauce. You can use your favorite sauce, Asian hot spicy sauce or a wing sauce. Just roughly poke the potatoes so that they absorb all the flavors, and simply add your favorite sauce and coat all the potatoes. You can add as much or as little as you want. So the baby potatoes are ready to serve. Garnish with sesame seeds and spring onion. Alright, so here I have chili baby potatoes are ready, and I can actually gobble the one whole baby potato. The beep sound that you heard, I have the dal cooking in there, lentils. This baby potatoes is like a barbecue potatoes kind of taste, because I use the Asian spicy, sweet and spicy hot sauce. Tastes so amazing. Next, I am making green beans and baby potato salad. New baby potatoes and green beans salad into the electric pressure cooker. So let's begin. Wash both vegetables really well. Cut green beans into an inch or inch and a half. Keep aside into the baking tray. Next, cut the baby potatoes into about 1/8 inch slices. Keep potato slices in water to prevent them browning. Bring the cut potato slices into the baking tray with green beans. Drizzle olive oil. Season with salt, garlic, red chili pepper flakes, and rosemary if you have. Mix it all really well. Add 1 cup of water into the Instant Pot insert. Place the trivet and then arrange the prepared baby potatoes and green beans in the steamer basket. For the big batch, place another trivet and arrange the remaining potatoes and green beans. Trust me, this double steamer method works like a charm to me. Close the Instant Pot with pressure valve to ceiling. Cook on a high pressure for about 12 minutes. When done, open the cooker carefully. Remove the steamers carefully. Look at this yummy looking new potatoes and green beans. When ready to serve, garnish with parsley and chives. If desired, add diced red bell pepper for the crunch and to add the color variation. And ready to serve. And one tip I would like to share, if you would like to reheat this salad, you can just use pan, so that way you can crispen up the potatoes slightly and it just tastes amazing. So if you have some leftover, do try that out as well. So here I have my plate ready. Really simple, quick and easy recipe, but tastes amazing if you flavor it up right. And my favorite is green beans actually. I just simply love steamed green beans, and when I pair up with potato, it just gets so amazing. I hope you try this recipe. My one more favorite is to prepare crispy smashed potatoes. Smash the steamed or boiled potatoes. Drizzle olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes or till golden brown. If desired, top the smashed potatoes with cheese and garnish with some freshly chopped parsley. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And also you can visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can also download my apps on iOS devices, even on your Roku TV, Amazon Fire. Bhavna's Kitchen is almost everywhere. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thanks for watching and see you soon.